Next section, reasoning. Can you define reasoning? The process of thinking about something in a logical way in order to form a conclusion or judgment. The ability of the mind to think and understand things in a logical way. What are the methods of reasoning? First, deductive reasoning. Second, inductive reasoning. Third, adductive reasoning. Fourth, analogical reasoning. Fifth, fallacious reasoning. Explanation going on. First, deductive reasoning. It is a logical process in which a conclusion is based on the concordance of multiple premises that are generally assumed to be true. Deductive reasoning is sometimes refers to top-down logic. Example for deductive reasoning. Premise 1. All humans are mortal. Premise 2. Socrates is a human. Conclusion: Socrates is mortal. All students are eat pizza. Clara is a student. Therefore, Clara eat pizza. Second, inductive reasoning. It is a logical process in which multiple premises, all believed true most of the time, are combined to obtain a specific conclusion. Example for inductive reasoning. Premise: the sun has risen in the east every morning up until now. Conclusion: the sun will also rise in the east tomorrow. Third, adductive reasoning. It is a form of logical inference which goes from an observation to a theory. Find the simplest and most likely explanation. Example for adductive reasoning. Premise 1. Socrates is human and mortal. Premise 2. Plato is human. Conclusion: Plato is mortal. Fourth one, analogical reasoning. It is any type of thinking that relies upon an analogy, a comparison between one thing and another. Example: Premise 1. X has properties P, Q and R. Premise 2. Y has properties P, Q, R. Premise 3. X has property Z as well. Conclusion: Y has property Z. Fifth one, fallacious reasoning. It is the use of invalid, otherwise faulty reasoning or wrong movies in the construction of an argument. Example for falseous reasoning. Premise 1. Socrates is human and male. Premise 2. Beyonce is human. Conclusion. Therefore, Beyonce is male. Theories of reasoning. First theory, abstract rule theories. Reasoning proceeds much like logical proofs. Domain specific rule theories. Reasoning based on schematic rules specific to the type of problems. Next theory, model theories. Reasoning proceeds using mental models of the world, syllogisms, bias accounts. Reasoning as a product of non-logical tendencies. Believability bias. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.